Welcome back to another tutorial from Book. Today we're going to be looking at the activities that we need to use to create our process plan. You're going to be basing your process plan on the semester description. Under the technical didactic method, you have a bunch of activities. We're going to use these as our main categories. So the first thing I'm going to create a fan that I'm going to call general. Under that, I'm going to have something I call project planning, a project logbook, and again, I'm going to have a project planning, and this one is going to be my time plan. Or so if I put in schedule and name it process plan. Below that, I'll have my period, time plan. I'll have my weekly plan or plans because it's plural. And then we're going to have something that's called a project meeting. And you're supposed to have a project meeting every single week. And since you have this project meeting every single week, we might as well put it in as a reoccurring task. And the way you do that is you go up under task, you go up under the insert, and then under task, press down and press the reoccurring task. You get this dialog box. In here, you might as well just call it project meeting. My duration, I'd say I put it to 2 hours, so 2/8. It's going to be weekly. I'll do it every Monday. My project, I'm going to say my project starts on the 29th of August 2016, and I'm going to say that it's going to end in January the 18th, 2007. It's going to be my standard calendar, and then I'm going to press OK. Then you get this dialog box. And this dialog box is indicating that one of your tasks is placed on a holiday or a day where there's vacation. So it asks you, press yes if you want to reschedule this task. That means it's going to move it either forward or backward. Click no if you don't want to create this additional task. I'm just going to go ahead and say no. And again, if you click cancel, it will cancel the whole operation. So I'm just going to click no. And what happens if I scroll out over here in this area, you would see that here in December, Monday the 26th, there's a holiday, and that's the second day of Christmas. So that is why I'm not able to work there. Now I have all my project meetings, and what I can do to minimize it, I can just click on this one. Then I'm going to go on to the next phase. And the next phase that you're going to have, we can call that DD1, and DD1, or you know what, let's not call it DD1. It is called DD1, but in this case we're going to call it according to BIM. So we're going to call it construction. Oh, construction project, and output for authorities, like that. I can expand it a bit. And below that one, I'm just gonna put in the different information, and that could be simply details, it could be static analysis, it could be energy information, detailing, and families. Terrain model information level 3. BIM model, again, it's an information level 3. Then I would probably put in some technical installation. I cannot hit my keys properly. Placement, my drain installations in MEP, mechanical, electrical and plumbing. It's an addition to Revit, columns and beams and rack. That is Revit architecture. We're going to I have some quality assurance or QA. Then I have output the project. Then I have something that is called processing authority. Under processing authority, I have my building permit, and then I have revision of incoming comments from these. The next one that I have is my detail project, and that is output for the main project. Below there, I have my project planning, again, schedule and process plan. Then you're going to have your follow-up on your design handbook. Detailing and families. Then you're going to have your case specification. You're going to have your work specifications. You're going to have your BIM information level 3 or 4, sorry. Then you're going to have your quality assurance again, And then you're going to have your output main project. These are the activities that I believe you should have, or as an example, what it should contain as minimum when you look over your process plan. But right now, I'm going to mark these and I'm going to have task and I'm going to create an indent like that. I'm going to do the same thing under my construction project, like so. Again, I'm going to go below, do the same under my processing authorities, and again under my detailed project, like so. Now I'm ready to start putting in the duration, the work, and assigning the resource initials and putting on the different constraints or bindings on the task. But you're going to be seeing that in the next video. So I hope you could use it, and thanks for watching.